to convert phenol to salicylic acid? At first, phenol react with sodium hydroxide from sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide at the presence of 127 degrees centigrade and 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure. That is the name reaction called Smith reaction. Product from sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate hydrolyzed. Product from salicylic acid. Okay. Next part, how to convert salicylic acid to phenol. At first, salicylic acid react with soda lime, that is NaOH plus CaO at the presence of heat. Product from sodium phenoxide. This product, that is sodium phenoxide hydrolyzed, product from phenol. Okay, my dear viewers. Thank you, my dear viewers.